Hello everyone, I hope you're okay. Let's start our analysis for gold. Today for the 10th of October 2023. Let's see what's happening in the market. Right, let's go to the Forex Factory and on Tuesday, 10th of October, and we can see there's some medium impact and some low impact news. There's no heavy impact news in dollar as well, 6 p.m. UK time. This medium impact news. Euro 11 a.m. medium impact. AUD 1:30 a.m. medium impact. Yes, and CNY is Chinese yuan 9 a.m. medium impact. For the rest of the day, we have low impact news. We don't have any heavy impact news. Right, going into the chart. Right, because there's a war going on. As you can see, the market opened with a huge gap as expected, which almost more than a move of more than 100. All right, 150 in fact. And the daily, as you can see, the market gave a move of 1864 to 1834. Yeah, the 300 pips move. So I'm expecting, because it was bank holiday in USA, so I'm expecting more move today when the market opens on this day. So it could be up to 1880 level. We will still have the same levels, and there's less chance of rejections, more to the upside we are expecting the market. However, I think not all the brokers have this gap. I think most of them do have it, this gap here. So the possibility of filling this gap from a major drop, I don't know when that can be, but we never know. There's no guarantee that so we'll have to watch the market. But anyway, 1880 is the level at least today, and 1800. So these are the levels. As you know that I always use, let me turn these lines off, moving averages, the colors to see the levels. So red is for daily, orange is for the weekly, yellow is for daily, and sorry, red was for monthly, and time frame I use green, 1 hour or smaller. To 50 minutes for learning purpose, you can see that market and market better with Asian. This is Asian zone. Market give some good bigger stop loss. You could still make some pips. And once the Asian is broken and other retest, you had chance to buy here. And now 1860 level is market basically. That's 4 hedge. So 4 hedge is market came to this level, and this level color 4 hedge color is we use blue color, and this is another level, and you can see market. The levels I make, guys, they're just it's hard to make all the levels and show you. You can make your own levels, but make sure you use the proper levels, because plus there was no. So let me move this previous Asian high and low, and now we'll have more better idea what's going on for the next Asian. Looking at Dixie, and we can see the more Dixie is coming down, and this is the level for Dixie, and I test this 200 moving average sooner or later. And also if we have 50, it also broke in 4 hours, broke the 50 hours moving average. So I hope this is helpful. I leave it to it and just follow the levels, and more chances to market go to the up when taking short trade and then move to the upside. Anyway, let's see. Nothing is finally trading. You have to go with the confirmation before you make any trades. Thank you very much. Have a good day. Good night. Thank you. Bye-bye.